Do you? You gotta go potty. You want some Bill Jack? You got a potty? You got a potty? Do you have to potty? You gotta go potty. Do you have to potty? Yes? No? No? Do you have to potty? So Chopper shakes his butt.
Alice, you got potty? You got potty. Huh? You got potty.
You got potty.
You got potty. You have to go back.
He don't have to go because he won't go outside.
You got potty.
I don't.